Welcome back to Beautyistic, where we bring you the inside scoop on the latest and greatest in beauty products. Today, I'm excited to introduce a product that promises to give your makeup collection a little boost, the Tarte Shape Tape Bestseller Set. Known for their cult favorite concealers, Tarte has packaged up 3 of their most popular shades, allowing you to try out the magic that's made them America's #1 concealer brand. Let's see if these lives up to the hype. This set features 3 key products from Tarte's Shape Tape collection, specifically tailored for light skin tones. The set includes the iconic Shape Tape concealer, along with a matte finishing powder and a setting spray. The shades included are 22N, Light Neutral, and Rose, which are designed to brighten and perfect light skin tones with that signature matte finish. If you've been looking for a product that truly delivers on full coverage, this might be the one for you. Let's talk about what's inside the box. The Shape Tape Concealer is a standout product, known for its creamy texture and full coverage that stays put all day. It's formulated with ingredients like shea butter and mango seed butter, which work together to hydrate while providing that flawless, high-coverage finish. The matte setting powder helps lock everything in place without leaving your skin looking dry or cakey, and the setting spray gives a fresh, dewy finish to seal the deal. Using these products in my daily routine has been a breeze. The concealer blends seamlessly into my skin, and I love how a little goes a long way. One layer provides full coverage, and it doesn't crease or settle into fine lines throughout the day. I tested it out in both hot and cold conditions, and it held up remarkably well, even on those long, busy days. The powder, on the other hand, is lightweight, so it didn't feel heavy, yet it kept the shine at bay without compromising the natural glow of my skin. When it comes to performance, I'm happy to report that Tarte has delivered across the board. The coverage is impressive, and the matte finish is perfect for anyone who loves a long-lasting, smooth look. However, I did find that the product's matte finish might be a little too drying for those with very dry skin. If you have a more hydrated skin type, though, I think you'll be really pleased with how this works. The setting spray definitely helps balance things out, giving you a more natural finish that doesn't feel too heavy. As for the value, this set is priced reasonably, considering the high quality and performance of each product. The concealer alone is a top-tier product, so getting it alongside the powder and spray is a nice deal. If you're someone who loves Tarte's products and is looking to build a comprehensive, long-lasting routine, this set is a great option. Of course, there are plenty of other products out there that can offer similar results, like Fenty Beauty's Pro Filter Concealer and Setting Powder, which comes in a wider range of shades for different skin tones. But if you're a fan of Tarte, or you've been curious about the Shape Tape line, this set is a solid way to test out their top products. The packaging is sleek and compact, making it easy to store in your beauty bag, and I really appreciate that Tarte has made these products easy to carry around without feeling bulky. Plus, the longevity of the concealer is impressive. A single application lasts throughout the day, and I didn't have to reapply or touch up once. If you're familiar with Tarte's customer service, you know they're pretty reliable when it comes to handling any issues or concerns. While I haven't had any personal experience with them for this product, their reputation for good customer service definitely adds to the trust I have in their brand. Now, if you're on a budget or simply looking for alternatives, drugstore options like Maybelline's Fit Me Concealer and L'Oreal's Infallible Pro Matte Powder provide similar effects at a more affordable price. While they might not have the exact same luxe feel as Tarte, they still deliver impressive coverage and long-lasting wear. In conclusion, if you're in the market for high-performance, long-lasting concealers and setting products that won't break the bank, the Tarte Shape Tape Bestseller Set is definitely worth considering. It's a fantastic starter set if you're new to the brand or want to refresh your routine with some trusted products. If you're already a fan of Tarte, this set won't disappoint. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thanks for watching, and if you've tried these products, drop a comment below. Let us know what you think about the Tarte Shape Tape set. Until next time, Stay beautiful inside and out.